Imagine a manufacturing plant receiving materials exactly when they are needed. No excessive inventory, no overcrowded warehouses, and no unnecessary storage costs. This is the essence of the just-in-time or JIT principle. JIT is a management philosophy that focuses on producing and delivering goods only when they are needed, in the exact quantity required. It has become one of the most influential approaches on modern manufacturing and logistics, helping organizations improve efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction. The just-in-time principle originated in Japan and was popularized by the automotive industry, particularly by the company Toyota. The goal is simple: eliminate waste by ensuring materials, components, and products move through the supply chain only when needed. Instead of storing large amounts of inventory, organizations carefully coordinate suppliers, production schedules, transportation, and customer demand. Think of JIT as a synchronized system where every part arrives at the right place, at the right time, and in the right quantity. In manufacturing, JIT plays a critical role in improving operational efficiency. First, it reduces inventory holding costs. Companies no longer need large warehouses filled with excess materials. Second, it improves cash flow. Money is not tied up in unused inventory and can instead be invested in growth, innovation, or process improvements. Third, GIT enhances quality because production occurs in smaller batches. Defects can be identified and corrected more quickly before they affect large quantities of products. Finally, JIT increases flexibility. Manufacturers can respond more effectively to changes in customer demand, market conditions, and product customization requirements. In logistics, JIT ensures that products move efficiently across the supply chain. Transportation schedules are carefully planned to align with production needs. Warehousing requirements are minimized because goods spend less time sitting in storage. This approach reduces handling costs, shortens lead times, and improves delivery performance. For customers, the result is faster service, greater reliability, and improved satisfaction. In today's highly competitive global market, efficient logistics can become a significant competitive advantage. The key benefits of implementing JIT include reduced inventory costs, lower storage and warehousing expenses, improved product quality, increased operational efficiency, faster response to customer demand, better utilization of resources, stronger collaboration with suppliers. Together, these benefits contributes to higher profitability and improved organizational performance. While JIT offers significant advantages, it also comes with challenges. Because inventory levels are kept low, disruptions can have a major impact. Delayed shipments, supplier issues, transportation problems, natural disasters, or global events can quickly interrupt production. Organizations using JIT must therefore develop strong supplier relationships, maintain accurate forecasting, and establish contingency plans to manage unexpected disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted how vulnerable some supply chains can become when critical materials are unavailable. To successfully implement JIT, organizations should focus on several key factors. reliable suppliers with consistent delivery performance, real-time visibility across the supply chain, strong communication between manufacturing, procurement, and logistics teams, continuous improvement through lean manufacturing practices. When these elements work together, JIT can deliver substantial operational and financial benefits. In conclusion, the just-in-time principle is not simply an inventory management technique. It is a strategic approach that drives efficiency across manufacturing and logistics operations. By reducing waste, optimizing resources, improving quality, and enhancing customer service, JIT helps organizations remain competitive in an increasingly demanding marketplace. While it requires careful planning and strong supply chain coordination, the benefits of JIT make it a critical component of modern manufacturing and logistics success. The right product in the right quantity at the right place and at the right time, that is the power of just in time.